Alright, it's me in Minecraft. Guys. Oh my god, oh my god. Alright. So let's teach you guys like how to use the elytra. How to use the elytra without any overpowered experience. Two fireworks. Now, look at it very carefully. Look at this up and down carefully. There you go, you used your elytra. Right, so see this carefully. Let's see if I can reach my balcony or not. Yeah, cutting down is okay, fine. It's okay, so okay, fine. So one last time I'm doing it, then I'll end this whole video. So let's see if I can reach my balcony right here. Oh no, I just didn't press the code on time, so right. Almost made it. Now let's give it one last try. Let's give it one last try, guys. So let's just see it carefully. Or I don't need to reach to the balcony. It's just you need to touch to the ground and see. See these codes carefully when you're off ground. I'm doing this for the very last time, and you have to identify it because I'm doing this multiple times so that you will identify it properly. Now quickly, down, up. You're on your elytra. One very last time. Down, up. Elytra usage. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.